So any WordPress to add the social icons is a very important on your every website. The social icon adding for two major points. One is called increase your followers and increase your visits. So this is a more important by your social icon. So first of all, I'm setting for every icon. In this very important call is go to your dashboard. In this dashboard, to every option will be add. The option call is appearance. In the appearance, click for customize. In this customize, the option name is called menu. The option name is the menus. In this, we already have the primary menu. Which menu we have create? Social menu. Create new menu. Social menu is there. There is social menu. The menu name is called social menu. Any theme is not showing for social menu. You have to change your theme for free WordPress. For premium, we can writing for customized code, but free WordPress is totally depend on the existing option. Any free themes, they're not showing social menu. You have to change the theme. Select next. Option call is add items. Click for custom link. Here we're writing for Facebook. www. So just I'm give the only for particular URLs. Facebook.com. Second will be Instagram. Next, Twitter. So I'm not adding any page URL, just I'm adding for only particular option. So I'm adding for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You change your position also. Now click for publish. Now, up to wait you are publishing, just come to here. Any icons are there? Now refresh. Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can see anywhere you will display this. Only display by where? For header. This icon will be total depend on your theme wise. The display your social icons. Which one? Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. When click here, they're going to be Instagram account. Is it clear? This is add your social icon. So nowadays they're following for total 5 social icons. Previous they follow the 6. Now we will follow by 5. Which one? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram. Nowadays, everyone not have a LinkedIn. They are adding for WhatsApp chat. One is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and WhatsApp chat. Now they are using for 5 options. These are your social icons. This is a method of adding the any website.